Hello all you lovely computer scientists. Today we're going to be showing off our data conversion failsafes. And we need these because when you get an input or working with data, you might not know the data inside, so you don't know which statement is needed. And if you put the wrong data into the wrong statement, you get an error, and that could destroy your entire program. So these are very useful and almost needed. So when you're working in Python, you might want to convert between data types, such as strings to integers or integers to floats. But especially for inputs, you might not have the correct data type to convert, so you might want to have a failsafe for that. So just have to double check if it would be possible. So we have an if statement which has dot is digit. So we'll do our string, put 34 is digit. And it works the same as is numerical. We'll just print the string is valid to be an integer. As you can see, 34 is digits, but if we put 34 and put some letters inside it, no longer valid. So let's do an else to prove it. String is not valid. There's another one, is decimal, which is same concept. Once again, string is valid to be an integer. Notice C is correct. Might have misspelled that. I did not. All three of those work for the same purpose of checking if it's numbers. If it is, sure. There is another one for checking if you can have a string. It is ASCII. And what it will do is it will check if all of them are ASCII letters. Try with 34. Allow it to be a string. If we put, say, a slash, that is an ASCII. There are some non-ASCII characters, but it will 99% of the time return true. You can do it with variables too. Let's just do it with var. Enter something. Hello. String is valid. It will nearly always be valid. This is where it comes in handy, because they don't know, your code won't know what the person's inputting. So if you just always try and make it an integer, if someone puts something that is an integer, that could be an integer. But if I did it with words, that's not an integer. As humans, we would go, oh, okay, well, we'll just put 76. The computer doesn't do that. So if we do try and do int with that, it will return an error, because it is not valid to be an integer. See? Which is why, when we're doing something like this, we don't convert right on the input, we do our failsafe, and then convert. So we can input 76 now, it'll convert to an integer, and then get -1. But if we do 76 in a different way, we don't actually return any errors. And dot is digit, dot is alnum, dot is alpha, dot is numeric, dot is decimal, dot is ASCII are all kind of failsafe commands, usually for inputs in random data collections. Thank you all very much for watching the video. If you enjoyed, please like, comment and subscribe, and please comment especially because I like learning how you learn and it helps me make better videos which are more educational and more concise.